Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create NFT in Canva, and here's how it is done. To begin, go to Canva. Make sure you are already signed in. To create your own NFT, click Custom Size located at the top of your screen. Choose 500 by 500 pixel for width and height. Then click Create New Design. Here, you can start by choosing the background color of your template. Once done, go to Elements located at the left side of your screen. Then go to Search Elements. For example, you want to create an NFT about Christmas, so search Christmas elements. Choose any of the elements available and add it to your template. Once done, go to the Share option. Scroll down until you see the Download option and click. And that's everything you need to know about how to create NFT in Canva. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.